What's up guys? Today I am making Lebanese spicy potato dish called Batata harra. Very popular in Middle East. You can easily make it at home with ingredients that you already have in your kitchen. The result is melt in your mouth potatoes tossed in spice, garlic and cilantro. So let's see the process. Take 4 potatoes, peeled and diced, roughly chopped. Heat oil in a frying pan. Drop potatoes in hot oil. Fry till it becomes golden brown. Once it's done, drain and set aside. Heat 2 tablespoons olive oil in a pan. Add 2 tablespoons minced garlic. One teaspoon paprika. 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Half teaspoon cumin powder. Half teaspoon salt. Adjust as per your taste. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Mix well. To this I am adding fried potatoes. Give this a very good mix. And now I am going to add freshly chopped coriander leaves or parsley. Mix this nicely. Once it's done, transfer this in a serving dish and serve immediately. I personally love anything to do with potatoes. It's pan-seared to a nice crisp yet tender in the center with a mouthful of flavor. I hope you enjoy. If you have tried this healthy-ish feel-good Lebanese spicy potato batata harra, then don't forget to give a big thumbs up below and leave me a comment below. I would love to hear about your experience making it. And if you snap some shots of it, share it with me on my Instagram page shimis.kitchen so I can repost on my stories. And subscribe to our channel, and when you do, click that little bell icon. See you with more such amazing recipes. Stay tuned and have a nice day.